Aloha! I'm feeling a little festive today. Welcome to the Rad Dad Toolbox. Another great episode here today. We're going to be teaching something really simple that I see a lot of people spend a ton of money on, and they don't need to. You can spend a lot less money in your life and still have a great life. So let's go ahead and dig in today on how to change wipers in about maybe 2 minutes, maybe 3, I don't know, but something really quick and really cheap and less expensive. Wipers are a racket with car dealers and auto parts stores, and virtually anybody that'll put them in for you, they'll charge you for it a lot. So we're going to show you how to do it today. So if you like what you see today, hit the subscribe button, pound that like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's go ahead and get started with what I paid for these today. Now you can see this is my local area Walmart, and I paid $4.47 per wiper. Now I see wipers going for 20, 30, 40 bucks, 50 bucks in crazy times with some dealerships. I've seen them very high, and you don't need to spend that money. You don't need to be intimidated by a wiper, and I can show you how to change them in less than 2 minutes. Now you do see on that receipt that I accidentally bought some M&Ms. Don't tell my wife. All right, step one before you even go to the store, of course, is you gotta find out how long your wipers are. The easiest way to do that is grab a tape, hook it on one side, and in this case, we can see, I am not doing too good here, we can see that they are 18 inches. So that's pretty simple. All right, now let's look at the product. These are auto drive. I think you can see that. They're 18 inch. Let's go ahead and pull these out. I knocked my camera. Well, they should just pop out. So there's one arm, and let's grab another one. And there is arm number 2, wiper arm number 2. All right, so let me show you the little clip that you're gonna push on to release these things. It's really, really simple. It is right there. You're gonna squeeze it and you're gonna slide the whole thing out. Now, I've only got one hand, so let me see what I can do to film this. All right, don't ask how I'm filming this, but you squeeze that little pin there. Okay, let's see if we can get a little closer look of what I just did. So you have the end of the wiper arm looks like this. The metal arm has a little hook on it. And all we're gonna do when we take these off is just squeeze that in and slide the whole thing off, which is what we did. And then to put it back on, you wanna make sure that the rounded end fits up inside that little hook. And then you're just gonna slide it the direction of the wiper arm until it clicks. It literally takes you about 15 to 30 seconds, depending on how frozen they are on there. They usually just with a little jiggle will come right off. So squeeze, slide, and then when you put the new one on, you wanna make sure, again, that the round end is pointed up and you just slide it along that metal arm until it clicks in there. Click, and you're done. About 15 to 30 seconds per wiper. Total expense today is under $10, about $9.40. All right, watch how easy these come out. Voila, wiper number 1. Okay, on the wiper, you're gonna see there is a open end and then a rounded end right there. I don't know, oh, there you go. You can see the rounded end right there. So I'm gonna show you how you just click these in. Really simple. So here we go. All right, so here we go. You just slide it over the wiper end like that and simply, actually make sure it's flat, and then just slide it up till it clicks, and voila. Wiper number 1 is done. And here is wiper number 2. Let's see how quick we can do this one. You stick your tongue out. I found it helps quite a bit to do a great job. Just kidding. Boom, that one's off. And then we're gonna slide the new one on. And remember again, you wanna do the closed end, not the open end. And all you do is you just line it up like so. Make sure this is flat. And you simply pull it in there to clip it. Boom. And wiper number 2 is done. So total elapsed time, I'm filming this. All right, let's check out the finished product. Oh yeah, squeaky clean, squeaky clean. I wish you could see how clean those are. New wipers make a ton of difference. So remember what you were taught today and start saving that money and putting it towards something useful, like a vacation, like a retirement, or all kinds of other things you can spend your money on. Hey guys, I hope you found this video helpful today. It's a cost center and it's a profit center. It's a cost center for you and a profit center for all the car parts stores and the car dealerships and oil change places and all the guys out there that do it. And they charge anywhere from 20, 40, 50, 60 bucks a pair. So remember, we got both for about $9.40, including tax, license, dealer prep, shipping, and handling. I'm just kidding. But all those other things that they charge you when you go to the store. So it's cheap. So anyway, I hope you found this helpful. I would challenge you to check out some of my other videos where we show you everything from how to shave like a boss to how to fix your iPhone speakers in under 5 minutes and changing oil on cars and all kinds of things that you can do on your own, save piles of money and not pay someone else ridiculous amounts to do it for you. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Check out my other videos, comment below, and I'll make sure I respond to every single comment. And if you haven't done so already today, please remember to subscribe, pound, and remember to hit the like button, pound, for that YouTube algorithm. So until next time, can you do it? Absoflippinlutely. Thanks for joining me.